Hello, I'm Ashley Michaud, the founder of Elemental Growth, and I'm here with my newest article for the Psychedelic website. This one's titled 10 Steps to Launch Your Psychedelic Business. This is how you can become a psychedelic professional in 2021. Psychedelics have been helping humans optimize and evolve since at least 5,000 BCE, yet people are just now coming out of the psychedelic closet to join the revolution. The truth is, your stance on psychedelics is a economical stance, a political stance, for some even a religious stance. Hell, I'll go as far as to say psychedelics are my religious and political stance. If you're with me, this article is written just for you. So here's the window of opportunity, guys. There's a big opportunity here, and it doesn't even matter what path you take because the opportunity is just that enormous. I'm talking science, medicine, counseling, hospitality, tourism, the pharmacy, education, nutrition, cultivation, conservation, religion, and spirituality. This is in every sector that you guys can think of, and some that, we probably don't even know is possible yet. What I'm saying here is that there's a lot of work to be done, and people are hiring. The universe itself is hiring. In fact, the total estimated market size could be as high as 100 billion in the pharma sector alone. As more money is invested and more people heal themselves from all sorts of disorders, even more markets will organically manifest, needing someone to do the work that only a passionate human can do. So what is it that you're passionate about? What are your skills? What is the one thing that would bring you the most joy when done from a place of free choice? When you have that answer, check out my proven steps to launch your psychedelic business. All right, so here it is, you guys. Here are the 10 steps to launch. Number 1. Decide. Make the decision to do this. Decide product or service. Decide what social media you're going to focus on. Decide on your messaging and the details. Step 2, connect. Connect with the people who are living the life you want. The people doing the work you want to do. The people creating what you want to create. I'm not saying that person exists because there is only one you and you have a unique dream inside of you to manifest. However, connecting with these people is a step in the right direction, and you never know where their insights will take you next. Not to mention, I didn't write this here, but for you guys watching or listening, there's another thing here, where it's that you are going to grow and evolve to the extent that the people you're surrounding yourself with are. So if you're surrounding yourself with amazing authors because of the books that you're reading and the audio books you're listening to, if you're surrounding yourself with people on YouTube and actually reaching out to coaches, to people who are doing this type of work, to experts that are in your field or in the field that you want to emerge into, there's going to be real magic happening. There's real potential here. Connection is what it's all about. And if you're using psychedelic medicine, you understand this to a soul level. So just do it, feel the fear and do it anyway. Make that connection. Number 3, gain authority. Get certified in something relevant and share the journey on social media. If you're already certified or getting certification is unnecessary, you can gain authority as a professional in other ways too. Creating a vlog, publishing a book, speaking as a guest, or even traveling to places relevant to the people you are helping. Number 4, mindset. This brings me to the biggest key, the key that opens a door to success. For this key, I'm just going to refer you to Napoleon Hill, who wrote 2 amazing books, Think and Grow Rich and Outwitting the Devil. And my own coach, Coach Xander Fryer, and his team, the High Impact Coaching Team. Number 5, messy action. Being a highly driven person, I have no problem taking action. However, I am also a people pleaser, and I would hold myself back. It was a consistent battle for so long, as I'd get stuck in perfection paralysis. I just wouldn't take that step to really put it out there because it wasn't perfect. Because I didn't have all the details, because I want to organize everything and want to do more paperwork and create more work for myself. I really had to hack that and just take messy action. What's important to remember is we're all humans, and with everything so automated today, people are seeking an authentic connection. Owning your flaws and failures as well as your success is in all reality what authenticity is what is all about. That's what connection is all about, and that's what people want. And that's how it is that you're gonna help people here, by just connecting with them, being yourself. Whether you're selling a product or a service, what people are buying is you. So coming into number 6, track the data. Taking action is so important because you can immediately start collecting data. Some examples would be: how many hours are you working? How much money are you earning? How many people are you talking to in a day? How many people are you reaching out to? Who are these people? What did you guys talk about? How many followers did you gain? Why did they follow you? What was your top post? Why was it so popular? You've probably got a bunch of questions yourself. New questions will come up. Just start tracking something, and then you'll know what's more relevant as you get more clarity, as you get more focused, as you get more feedback because of the data that you've collected. Number 7, progress. Enjoy the process and believe you will progress more and more each day. That is something that I bring to my yoga practice consistently, and something that then has rippled out into other areas of my life. This is actually how some of the best mantras begin. Whether you're AA or practicing Reiki on some level, the mantras that are popular among both of those are just for today. And the truth is, you're only a beginner once, and so as long as you take consistent action, you will progress naturally. So just do the work and enjoy the ride. Number 8, optimize. Once you have some data and once you're seeing progress, it's time to optimize. Optimize on the data that you've collected by implementing necessary changes. If you don't know what to change, get curious, ask questions, meditate, discuss, and seek an answer that is authentic and true to you. The goal here is to take what's working and build on it. The challenge is releasing what's not working and believing that when it's meant to be, it will manifest organically. Number 9. Collaborate. I've coached over 50 female founders outside of my private coaching practice, and even wrote some pieces around collaboration over competition. So go check that out at elementalgrowth.org. It is very helpful, very powerful stuff. The bottom line here, though, is that we're all in this together, and by working together, we can turn a ripple effect into a wave, and a wave into a tsunami. If this doesn't show you the big picture, think about your competitor making all the mistakes so that you don't have to. Actually learning from them in that way. Think about speaking to your competitors' followings. If you're collaborating with them and, building these relationships with them, you'll get access to each other's people, and you'll help more people that way, because, not everybody that is in your competitors' following is going to buy from them. On some level, not everybody's going to resonate, but maybe they will with you. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, is just helping them, finding who needs help and helping them. And yeah, just for a moment, consider that there is someone else out there who cares as much as you do. Because it's true. They do. That's why they're doing that work. That's why they committed their life to it. They're probably not doing it the same way as you. Good. Do your own thing. But there's still opportunity to learn from them. There's still opportunity to collaborate with them. And You know, that's how, you know, this movement is moving so fast. All right, lastly, number 10, do your happy dance. Celebrate yourself, how far you have come, what you have created. Something we personally do in our own home is track our non-negotiables on a point system. This way we can really feel our achievements. We feel it every night as we count up our points. You know, I'm talking about we as in me and my 4-year-old son, you know, and if you're one of my coaching clients, don't take it personally. A lot of what I'm coaching you on is stuff that I do with my 4-year-old son. You know, it's the same stuff that I do in my own life because it works. It works on every level of your life. And so this is a great way to track our points, feel our achievements in the day. And then also, as we collect points, the points kind of works as money and we get to reward ourselves. You know, we get 50, or Finn gets 50 points and he gets a toy, and maybe I get like some crystal stones that I can make mala beads out of, or something like that. You know, let's say we get up to 150 points and then we go travel. We get to go on a road trip and go visit somebody and bring them gifts and things, and share great food with people, stuff that, you know, not everybody gets to try all the time. And, you know, so that's how it is that we work. And, you know, this allows us to build even more momentum through positive reinforcement. You know, so if this kind of system is of interest to you, let me know and I'll dive deeper into that another time, because it has been so helpful for us in our lives and in every area of our life. All right, you guys. So I'm going to do a second video around this, and it's going to be how I became a psychedelic professional. I'll go into my own story. I just want to do it on 2 separate videos because I know you guys are, you know, probably I don't know, it's just great to like section that off, make the videos a little bit smaller. I think that way you can take a break in between, really digest, and if you're going back later you may want one or the other. So I just decided to do it this way. I hope to catch you